Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys clicking on today's video. Today, we are going back to the track. Now, I know last time we went to the track on this channel, a couple videos back, it was in 8-second cars, 7-second cars. Today, not so much. We're gonna be bringing my stock 2017 Audi R8 to the track to see what kind of times it runs. I was considering bringing the Z06, but it is on a drag pack, and unfortunately, it rained. And I really don't feel like wiping out, so we're gonna bring the R8 to the track. It's about an hour away. It didn't rain there, so we're all good. Again, it's stock, so I'm not really expecting much, but I want some baseline numbers because we are going to be throwing a VF supercharger onto this car. Now, the first thing I did when I decided we were going supercharger was I looked up the stock times on this, and there wasn't that many videos covering what these things run just straight from the factory, so that's what I want to figure out in today's video. First and foremost, we need to get a nice little cold start. This thing hasn't been started in like 2 days. Nice. Now again, as I told you guys, I have a couple things coming for the car. We have the VF supercharger already, and then I have a titanium exhaust coming from Valvetronic. It's a new kit, it hasn't come out yet, they're still making it. But we're looking to do that right at the beginning of the new year, right when they release the system and send it out to me. So super pumped for that. The car sounds pretty good stock, but these things, if you don't know, sound insane with a full titanium exhaust. First and foremost, I'm really bad about not having camera gear coming from a social media guy. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and pick up like a phone mount or whatever so that you guys can actually be in the car while I'm doing the pass. Boom, $24 later. It should hold. I have like the magnet one on my phone that I used to use, but the drag car got too fast, so the magnet won't hold it and it just flies off. So hopefully this one will work. Stock, these cars are so fun. Perfectly engineered. That's kind of why I want to go with the supercharger, because it doesn't go that crazy. It's not going to completely change this car. It's just going to enhance what it already has with crazy torque. It's not going to be like turbos where you have a little bit of lag. It's just straight torque, straight power. I think it's going to make like 650-ish wheel. I don't know. But either way, it's going to be a blast. All right, boys, we made it to OSW. Got my tech card for tonight's test and tune. Zoe's also here. You guys may have seen Zoe in some videos. She has an S197. I think it's just full bolt-on. I don't know what she's trying to run, but she asked me to go tonight, and she's been asking a lot. So figured I'd go, see what the car will do.
Dusty.
What's the deal for the night?
The deal for
Whoever runs faster.
Whoever runs faster?
Yeah.
Okay, just because you can afford 2 more cylinders doesn't mean you're gonna win.
I'm not saying I'm gonna win. Which one is bigger?
Do you want girly or girly?
I want that one.
Can your head fit in it?
Are you saying I have a big head? Oh, it's perfect.
That's like a medium, I think. I kind of wanted that one.
I used to be a large. Brain eating disease got too bad.
I don't know.
Oh wait, is it different?
Yeah, centimeters.
Centimeters. Okay, I don't know that. Hey, you're both tall.
Yeah, I'm like I'm like 6'7" around. 6'8" between those. 7.5 or.
I look like a child. There's a lot of stuff in there.
It doesn't matter for him. Oh, he is.
Here.
He is freaking out.
Start it.
No, oh, wait. Yeah, it's here. You going to tech?
I want to give him a ride.
Iceland. Hope they don't get mad at me.
Hopefully. Best part of the trip so far.
How much longer are y'all here?
We're going to the airport 25th and we'll land in Iceland the 26th.
Okay. So you never been in, what's the fastest car you've ever been in?
Actually my own car.
The Mustang?
Yeah.
She was telling me about?
Yeah. No, it's Mustang.
Show you launch control.
My friends are gonna be so jealous.
You ready? All-wheel drive is pretty crazy.
I don't have words.
You like it?
I love it.
You can't see how stuffed he is in there. We gotta say it again. 6'7".
Yeah, 6'7".
6'7".
In Europe, 200 centimeters or 2 meters.
Is this your first time in like a supercar?
Yeah. Well, I once drove my brother's car, but
I'll do launch control. It's not that fast of a car, but whenever you just feel it, all the power at once, it's nice. I don't know what it's gonna run tonight, but at least you guys got a ride in it, so that's cool.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This was awesome.
I know it's not Disney World, but hopefully it's
Nah,
cool.
this was better than Disney.
Don't tell your mom that, because this was a lot cheaper than Disney.
Yeah, I know.
All right, well now we're gonna go take the car down the strip and see what it does after I almost got kicked out, because I definitely did that in the pits. So I apologize. I know I was wrong, but I didn't want to go all the way back out to the streets.
That is recorded, by the way.
It spun pretty bad. Yeah, that's probably good. So we're running a GT2 RS?
No, he said he don't got gas.
Oh, yeah. Drove to the track and has no gas.
To be fair, he's been running for like last 2 hours back to back
He
to
probably
back.
thinks that I actually have something on this, even though it's bone stock.
Those two.
I don't think he
The
wants.
Porsche
I don't
and
think
the
he wants it.
There's a good, this gas station right there, and that one there is a good race. I want to see it.
Oh, it's
If the owner was here, he would want to race you in his
Bone
Porsche.
stock. I promise. Bone stock. It just ran an 11.
Clearly.
Are you upset?
R8. Yes, I
Okay,
want. Well,
I won't make a joke. I was making.
what's a joke?
I,
I'm not
no,
gonna
I'm
get
saying.
butthurt.
No, I'm saying I was making jokes about how I was winning, but I'm not gonna make jokes to hurt your feelings.
It's not gonna hurt my feelings.
You just
don't
said it was
hurt
hurting
my
your feelings.
You don't hurt my feelings.
Okay. Want to put money on a race? I'll give you the
Fuck
hit.
no.
I'll give you the hit.
Fuck no.
Everybody keeps walking up because no R8 goes to the track without twin turbos, and I'm like, don't worry, it's stock. And then they watch it run 11s, and they're super disappointed. I can break into the 10s. I know it. Do we believe it? Am I gonna break into the 10s?
I think
Maybe.
so.
1080. That's what I want. That's all I want.
You might be hurt.
Everyone can beat me.
With that
That's not
attitude, fix the attitude.
I'm gonna have a 10-0.
Okay, well, we gotta be realistic here. I'm gonna try shifting it myself. I've been trying just letting it shift in sport mode. I'm gonna put it in performance, but you have to manually shift it. I don't know if that'll make a difference, but that's what I did. I run faster on the street. We'll see. We'll see. 1080 coming right here. let's go. 10-second beast. Ladies and gents, we've got ourselves a 10-second car. 1093 to be exact. I think I can go a little faster. I was shifting myself, and I think I could let it go out a little longer. I was shifting like right at, I think 82 or 8300. So I'm gonna try and let it out to like 9. See how it goes. I don't know, but I think that's probably gonna be close to the fastest thing I can get unless I can get a better launch. Zoe also wanted to throw in that she just ran a what?
12.7.
12.7, there you go. I had a pretty good race against this. I hope that he got footage. All right, I'm gonna give it one last shot. See if we can run a 10.8. I don't know what else I can do different. I mean, the car's hooking, so I don't know. Maybe we'll get another good race with the ZL1. It was super close. It was like he was right in my blind spot, so solid runs.
Again. Let's go 10, 8, 9.
I don't know what to change.
What are you leaving at?
I can't change it, I don't think.
Yeah, you can.
How?
Let me see it.
Pull in the lane.
Another 1093. I'm gonna try the same thing and I don't know, see if I can get anything different, maybe launch better. There's not really much control I have. I can't adjust RPM or anything, I don't think. So just gonna send it one last time before they close and see what I can run. So our temps are getting high, 220 and 218. I just did a hot lap. It still ran at 11.0, super consistent, but definitely not gonna run faster with the temps climbing. So I'm gonna let it chill out for, I don't know, like 20 minutes. And if I can still go, I'll try one like as cold as possible and see if I can somehow squeeze a 10.8. Either way though, happy the car's not breaking. All right, not too bad, really consistent, 1093, 11.0 car. I'm excited to see what the VF supercharger will do. It's gonna add, I think, 250 horsepower, so maybe low tens, I don't know. But we'll definitely be taking it back out here. I'm glad I got to come out and get some data. Let me know what you guys thought of the car. Let me know what you think it's gonna run with the VF supercharger. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I appreciate everybody that watches the page. With that being said, that is gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.